And Ruben Amorim makes 5 changes from that European night. Andre Onana stays in goal though. Victor Lindelof comes in as captain for the day. There's a debut for 20-year-old Tyler Fredrickson. And just a second start for 18-year-old Harry Amas as Christian Eriksen returns. One of the late heroes on Thursday. Vitor Pereira makes 3 changes now from the Spurs game. Jose Sarr felt unwell after the warm-up, so Dan Bentley is called upon. His first Premier League game since the end of last season. Santiago Bueno starts, having come on as a sub in the last 5 matches. The effective... Manchester United will finish the season with their lowest ever points tally in Premier League history, but it's not really about that now, much as they want to carry on winning and keep some momentum.
Right, Aaron's just like this one.